Cats and dogs are two of the most beloved pets in the world. They are both intelligent, affectionate, and loyal companions that bring joy and happiness to our lives. However, have you ever wondered how they perceive time? Time is a concept that humans use to measure the duration of events and to organize our lives. It's a relative concept, and our perception of time can be influenced by various factors such as age, emotions, and environment. Cats and dogs have a different sense of time compared to humans. They perceive time differently, and their sense of time is influenced by their biological clock, daily routines, and environmental stimuli. Cats and dogs have an internal biological clock that regulates their sleep-wake cycle, hormone production, metabolism, and body temperature. This clock is known as the circadian rhythm, and it's influenced by light and darkness. The circadian rhythm of cats and dogs is different from humans. Cats are crepuscular animals, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. They tend to sleep for long periods during the day and night. Dogs, on the other hand, are diurnal animals, which means they are most active during the day and sleep at night. Cats and dogs also have different sleep patterns compared to humans. Cats can sleep for up to 16 hours a day, while dogs can sleep for up to 12 hours a day. This is because their natural instincts dictate that they conserve their energy for hunting or playing. Daily routines. Cats and dogs have different daily routines compared to humans. They do not have schedules and deadlines like humans do. Instead, they follow their natural instincts and adapt to their environment. Cats are independent creatures that like to sleep and play on their own terms. They do not follow a specific schedule and prefer to eat small meals throughout the day. This is because their ancestors were solitary hunters that would catch small prey throughout the day. Dogs, on the other hand, are social animals that thrive on routine and structure. They need regular exercise, playtime, and feeding schedules to stay healthy and happy. This is because their ancestors were pack animals that would hunt and scavenge as a group. Environmental stimuli. Cats and dogs are highly sensitive to environmental stimuli, which can affect their perception of time. For example, cats are highly attuned to changes in light and shadow. They can sense when it's time to hunt or play based on the amount of sunlight or moonlight. Dogs, on the other hand, rely on their sense of smell and hearing to navigate their environment. They can sense changes in the weather, the arrival of their owners, or the presence of other animals in the area. Stress or anxiety. Cats and dogs perceive time differently during periods of stress or anxiety. For example, if a cat is scared or anxious, time can seem to slow down for them. This is because their brain is processing more information and is in a heightened state of alertness. Similarly, if a dog is left alone for a long period, time can seem to drag on for them, and they can become anxious or stressed. Age and lifestyle. Another factor that can influence cats and dogs' sense of time is their age. As cats and dogs age, their biological clock can become less reliable, and they may experience changes in their sleep patterns and daily routines. Older pets may also become less active and require more rest, which can affect their sense of time. Furthermore, the type of environment in which cats and dogs live can also influence their sense of time. For example, pets living in a rural area may have a different perception of time compared to pets living in a busy city. The amount of space they have to roam and play, the amount of natural light they are exposed to, and the availability of outdoor activities can all affect how they perceive time. As pet owners, it's our responsibility to provide a healthy and stimulating environment for our furry companions. We can do this by creating a routine that suits their natural instincts, providing regular exercise and playtime, and being available to them when they need us. By understanding their sense of time, we can create a better living environment for them that takes into account their unique needs and behaviors. By doing so, we can create a healthy and happy living environment for our furry friends, where they can thrive and be their best selves. In conclusion, cats and dogs have a unique sense of time that is influenced by their biological clock, daily routines, and environmental stimuli. Understanding their perception of time can help us create a better living environment for them and strengthen the bond we share with our furry companions. Don't forget to follow our channel, subscribe, and like. See you in the next video.